Hello everyone, let's solve another math challenge. Many people look quickly and already mark the wrong answer. So think calmly, follow the right order, and see if you can get it right before the explanation. Now you know the correct answer. If you got it right, comment below. If you got it wrong, don't worry. This type of expression tricks many people. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel and follow the upcoming challenges. See you in the next video.